guys, I am Drunken Up, and today we have finally completed the GT4 project. So, now it's all done, let's show you around. So here we are guys at the end of the process. Now there's been a lot of videos showing you pretty much everything we've done. Obviously we've not managed to get the camera out for absolutely everything. Obviously working on these cars does require two hands most of the time. Now the main thing that you've not seen so far, that's not been part of the videos, we'll show you a quick clip of now, and that is when we took a visit to the paint shop. Right, so we are at the paint shop, and as we can see, we've gone a lot further than we originally thought, but it is looking pretty smart on this corner. So a little bit more than we wanted to do, but we are going extremely well around here. So the door's already been done. Bit of the update for you. We are making progress. Of course, looking pretty good. So credit to the paint shop, they did actually do a wonderful job. So let's dive straight back into the video and show you the result.
Forgiveness, but I'm tired. I'm addicted to the fire. Let go, I'm ready for it. Let go, I'm ready. I'm a victim, I'm a coward. Try to wake up, don't have the power. I'm a daughter in the choir. Let go, I'm ready for it. Let go, I'm ready. Want forgiveness, getting weaker. I'm addicted to the fever. Let go, I'm ready for it. Let go, I'm ready. I'm a danger, I'm a cipher. Try to wake up, no desire. I'm a daughter in the choir. Let go, I'm ready for it. Let go, I'm ready. lay me down tonight. Yeah, blood, I want it, take me to the sky. Blood, I want it, everything's alright now. Forgiveness, but I'm tired. I'm addicted to the fire. Let go, I'm ready for it. Let go, I'm ready. I'm a victim, I'm a coward. Try to wake up, don't have the power. I'm a daughter in the choir. Let go, I'm ready for it. Let go, I'm ready. Forgiveness, getting weaker. I'm addicted to the fever. Let go, I'm ready for it. Let go, I'm ready. I'm a danger, I'm a cipher. Try to wake up, no desire. I'm a daughter in the choir. Let go, I'm ready for it. Let go, I'm ready.
So we have took it out a few times and it does run absolutely beautifully. But I think now it's going to be very much time probably to put it back up for sale. Now, for me, the enjoyment with these cars is working on them. It's something I've always done. It's something I've done from a very young age. So to me, once it's finished, once everything's looking exceptional, that to me is where the fun ends. So I do think in the next couple of days we're going to put this up for sale and probably get straight onto the next project, because again, I love working on these cars. The enjoyment for me is all about making them look as special as the day they left the factory.
Giving up the fight, blood, I want it, lay me down tonight.
Well, that is it for today's video, guys, and that is it for the GT4 project. If you've enjoyed the video, please drop a like on it, please subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next big Ferrari project coming to the channel soon.